Hello, Nomad Sculpt and curved surfaces. Okay, let's jump to the Nomad app. First, a demonstration. I add a sphere and I reduce the post subdivision. And only to remember, now when you bring the subdivision in, you see what happens. The shape curve gets smoother and smoother. Okay, and this we need. And keep the mesh very low at the beginning of the process. Okay, now we can use the validate button, use the front view, and we can adjust our shape we need, the radius, and it's you see it what I mean at the next steps, because when we trim now, symmetry is on. We can use this symmetry and trim the object. This shape is now our curve, and we can trim the parts away we don't need. For example, we need this curve. And now we can use the symmetry again. Symmetry is okay. And turn the gizmo on. And now symmetry on. And now we can make this to a curve like this. And now we can use the subdivision to make it smoother. And now we get a few parts that we don't need. We can trim it off again. Symmetry off. Use the trim tool. And we don't need this part and this part. And now we can use, we can bring this object to the origin again. Use the symmetry, turn it on, and now we got a nice clean curved shape. Yes, that's one way. The first way. I delete this. The next method is to use a plane. This is our plane, front view, and the topology, reduce it to 1. It's a demonstration how it works. Validate the object. We can bring it in the front view and now use the selection mask. Okay, and let's see the side view. And now you can adjust the angle of the curve. Remember the subdivision. We can use the view, the side view, and now we can adjust the angle of the curve. When we are fine, we select the mask, clear the mask, and now we can use the subdivision. now we got our curved shape, or subdivided once again. And now we can use again the symmetry tool. X-plane is okay. Symmetry is on. Use the gizmo. Turn the symmetry on. And now you can bring the object here and trim the parts away you don't need. Now you got a nice, clear, banded shape. Okay, next one is we use again a plane. Now we turn this the division, bring it down, and okay, let's create a shape like this. Yes, with the top view. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's validate the object. Now we can use the selection mask and turn the symmetry off. And now we can select, for example, every second of this part. Okay, change your view, use the gizmo, and now you can adjust the object like this. And remember the subdivision, and you can, no, it don't work. We have to clear the mask. And now I think it works. Now you can scale it in this direction, and when you're fine, you can use the subdivision. Yes. And check the symmetry. You can turn the symmetry on. And now you can create a shape like this. Okay, that's it. I think there's more, but for this video, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.